Kampala endorses the idea of trying the LRA commander Dominic Ongwen in Northern Uganda. Government spokesperson Shaban Bantariza says all the government wants is justice.
If in the wisdom of the ICC they think they should come back to Northern Uganda, particularly where Dominic Ongwen operated from and he is even born from, so they can ascertain whether they are real serious charges that are sustainable in court to prefer against him, for us it is in good order.
In February, the ICC prosecutor Fatua Bensouda visited Northern Uganda and met with victims of the Lord's Resistance Army LRA war. Victims spoke out on how they were affected, and there were varying views on how and where Ongwen's trial should be conducted. The LRA is accused of mass killings of up to 60,000 people, maiming of its victims, abductions and displacement of hundreds of thousands. Dominic Ongwen was abducted before being turned into a child soldier and rose up the ranks to become a commander in the LRA. Some analysts say Ongwen was a victim too, and that needs to be taken into account.
There's going to be sympathies for him, in spite of the things he's alleged to have done, that these things were as a result of the failure of the state to protect him as a child, and therefore he found himself in the ranks of the LRA.
The chamber says it considers the closest location to the crimes committed as suitable for the confirmation of charges hearing. Ongwen was handed over to the Hague court after his surrender to U.S. forces in the Central African Republic in January. And he faces 3 counts of crimes against humanity and 4 counts of war crimes allegedly committed in 2004 in Northern Uganda. The ICC has scheduled January 21, 2016 for the hearing date. The government says it supports the ICC's proposal to find out if there is sufficient evidence to commit Ongwen for trial, and it says its top priority is getting justice for victims of the 2-decade war with the LRA. Isabel Nakiria, CCTV, Kampala.